Hey everyone, this is for all you DIYers out there. I am working on a coffee table and I thought I'd share a little tip with you guys. So this coffee table was in really good shape, minus a few scratches and some wear and tear areas. And I did not want to sand and strip this down to refinish it. So there's a quick way to make something look like it was refinished without doing all the work. So what you want to do is you want to take 300 grit sandpaper and lightly scuff your surface. You just want to dull down that clear coat that's on there. And then you want to take a water-based stain that matches the wood that you're working on. The one that matched mine was Sedona by General Finishes. That's what matched the most. And so I'm just going to dip my rag into the stain and then I'm going to run it along the surface like so. And this gives the look as if it was totally refinished. And yes, you probably could have used the Restore Finish, but sometimes that does not get into all those scratches and crevices as much as you would like. So this is definitely an easy way to achieve that refinished look without all the work. And so once that's dry, you want to take a poly wipe on or a poly in a can and spray it, and then you're good to go. Hope that tip helped. Make sure to like and follow for more tips. See you guys later.